So when your Mini Pro is ready after the first installation, let's have a look to the settings. What do we find there? The first folder what we got there is called device information. So this is great because whenever you have a service call or you need to know the serial number or the software version, that's what you find here. So all the question probably a service partner would ask you, you find it here. General settings is something what you do probably only one time. Here you can change the language of your choice, date and time. You can set up the temperature unit to your preference, Celsius or Fahrenheit. And if you are a supermarket or a chain business, here you can upload the boot logo. That means every morning when you switch on the unit, your company logo is shown in the startup. Sounds. For every application from alarm, arrow, profile finish, you can set up the sound file of your choice and also the volume. When we are scrolling further down, operating parameter. Here it's quite a lot of different parameters, but it's great because you can set up the Mini Pro as you need, from preheating tolerances, preheating yes or no. So the performance you can adjust exactly to your needs. And also what we see here is Press and Go, our automated cooking. And the beauty here is you can set up the Convotherm Mini Pro, how it acts in Press and Go, dedicated to your needs. The first block of adjustment or of settings is the layout. So here you can choose the icon size, how many shelves you want to see in the display, is a background temperature required, yes or no. So that is more layout. If you scroll further down, then you have all the compensation values. That means here you can adjust how much time certain product needs, how the Mini Pro actually in Press and Go supposed to react under batch cooking, mixed cooking, different loading scenarios. So the beauty here is that you can adjust every loading scenario in Press and Go in this folder, what means in your region, in your market, in your restaurant for dedicated products, you have no limits in adjusting the parameters. So if you are leaving the Press and Go folder and scroll further down, you can also set up a Press and Go password so that between manually cooking and creativity of profile development, you can lock it by password so that the operator in the supermarket or in the store have no access to the core profile or to do any adjustments. When we scroll further down to the folder Cookbook, here you can actually manage the cookbooks. You have a cookbook library. Also here you can download and upload the cookbook of your choice. So when you want to upload the cookbook for the next unit, that's what you're doing here. And on the other unit, you would choose import export. Really, really simple. Just plug in the USB stick and then just choose the import or export function. Network. When your unit is connected to Wi-Fi or to Ethernet and you use our Kitchen Connect Cloud, that's where you're setting up all the parameters to get the unit online and connected. Logbook, two things. First of all, here you can also extract the HACCP data from the unit, and also you find the HACCP viewer. That means here you can actually check directly on the unit all the cooking profiles from the last month, years, like a calendar. You can choose and see every single day to control and check the product what were cooked in there. So with all those settings, what you see here, you can set up the Mini Pro from the basic settings to your needs, and also you can do all the defined settings for Press and Go, for your operation, for your menu development.